Hi everyone. I thought today I'd give you a follow-up fireworks video, specifically on the wrap I explained in my previous video. This just gives you an idea of how it works and what to do with loud noises and how to, the little extras that it has. So yeah, once again, I hope you enjoy it, and please do share with other pet owners. The T-Touch wrap or Tellington Touch wrap works really well for the fear of fireworks and loud storms. So this is how you use it. When fireworks season approaches, all over Facebook and social media, you'll see the Lily Chin picture post come up, and it explains to you how to wrap your dog and exactly how it works in a cartoon type way. Lily Chin is absolutely fantastic with her cartoon descriptions of how to help dogs, so do follow her page. Highly suggested. This Tellington Touch wrap or the half wrap is used to reduce anxiety, for example due to loud noises, or also to reduce motion sickness, to reduce shyness, to improve balance, self-confidence, and even to reduce pain, for example due to arthritis, and many other reasons. What is a wrap? A wrap should ideally be elasticized for the comfort of your dog. Now you can actually buy elastic bandages, a discem or clicks for about 10 to 20 rand. Use the 5 centimeter width for smaller dogs and the 7.5 centimeter width for larger dogs. You may need 2 of the 7.5 centimeter tied together for a larger dog. How do you introduce the wrap to your dog? If you want to use the wrap to reduce the fear of fireworks, you need to introduce it to your dog ahead of time. For instance, the wrap is a new experience for your dog, and he or she might not be able to cope with the wrap and the noise at the same time. So let him or her sniff the wrap first, offer some treats on the wrap, and then next drape it loosely over your dog. If your dog shows any signs of anxiety, remove the wrap immediately. Signs to look out for are moving away, pulling the ears back, lip licking, grinning, growling, showing the whites of the eye, whale eye, flinching or panting. If your dog does not show signs of anxiety, wrap it very loosely around your dog's body and encourage him or her to move around. Now you'll see on the video, I did it with Cammy. Obviously, it wasn't really the right thickness, but you could see how I wrapped it around her, and she was quite okay with that. Mind the following tips when using the wrap. The wrap is tied fairly loosely. It's more of a gentle hug than a bear hug. Try not to tie the knot on the spine, as it'll be uncomfortable for your dog. Never leave your dog unattended. The wrap may be caught on something and cause an injury, or your dog might start panicking while wearing the wrap. Also, don't use a safety pin to tie the ends. Rather use a baby pin if you can't knot it. Will it help all dogs? In fact, no. Just like medication and other tips and hacks for fireworks and loud noises, some dogs won't be comfortable wearing the wrap. It may cause them anxiety. Also, even if the dog wears a wrap comfortably, the level of fear they have may be too great for the wrap to be effective. So don't have it as your only plan. Always have some other backup plans behind, keeping them calm with anxiety. Does it work on cats? Well, it's basically the same as dogs. With my personal experience, I have used it on both Nala, who really struggles with fireworks, and Stig, and it worked on both of them really well. But for some cats, it can be more difficult to get them to use a wrap than a dog. Sometimes it's actually better to get a harness for them, like the dragonfly harness, which is quite effective. But of course, it will be effective for some cats and not for others. It purely depends on the cat. Of course, a wrap has to be introduced slowly and carefully. You can have a look at my site, and I have a blog post on how to introduce a harness to a cat, and that would help you with the wrap. Cats also tend to freeze and fall over when they're not properly introduced to a wrap. So that can cause extra anxiety. So just try and do it as calmly as possible. Just a few quick tips from my last video. What else can you do if your dog or cat is scared of loud noises? Stay with them at home and don't leave them home alone. Keep them inside in a soft room, soft furnishings, and curtains drawn. Hard rooms like bathrooms or garages tend to amplify the noise. Comfort your dog in a calm voice and try to stay calm yourself. So remember self-care and keeping calm with your anxieties. Play music or switch the TV on. The idea is not to drown out the noise, but rather create some soothing background sounds. So if it is too loud, it may exacerbate the fear of noise. Keep the lights on. Rub their ears gently if they are okay with it. There are also some fabulous homeopathic medications that might work for dogs and cats, and also prescription drugs which are available from your vet. I hope these tips were helpful to you. So please do share it with other pet owners. Maybe they'll find some help in the T-Touch wrap or some of the other tips in my videos. Thank you for joining me.